My chickens are 2 weeks old. They are happy. Happy 2 weeks old. Even the common fowl chickens are 2 weeks old. But notice the difference in size between the white fowl and the common fowl, even though they are the same age. What do you think of their sizes for 2 weeks? That's another common fowl chicken over there. Compare the sizes. How do they look? What are your thoughts? Any comments? Any suggestions? Yeah, I just came in from work. I'm gonna give them some water. Yeah, gonna change their water now. Alright, so just leave a comment. Let me hear from you. Any suggestions? Any advice? 14 days old. How do they look? Are they big enough? This is very satisfying for me. I'm enjoying looking at them and enjoying their progress. Very satisfying. Happily drinking, happily eating. Just imagine the fun I'm having right now. Nature in all its glory.